Willies, come on, drink up. Time to go home. Time to go.
Squeeze us another pint in there.
No, we haven't got time. You've got to go home now. Come on, it's time.
I promise I'll down it in one.
I'll down you in one in a minute. Come on, out.
Cool. Hey! Oh, what's his face? He would never say no.
He never says no to nothing. Except work. Come on, out. Home you go. We'll see you tomorrow.
Yeah.
Mind you how you go. Mind.
Yeah, hey! Don't forget, I could be the next Prime Minister.
Yeah, you look good in a skirt. Come on. Out you go. Mind the steps. Mind how you go, darling. Just go. We're shut!
It's Mr. Trent Darby.
Pour us a large gin, will you, Shell? On the house, of course. Bit parky out there. Ooh. Right, let's get down to business. Now, I understand you're in need of some pest control, and you may require my extermination services.
Cut the double talk, Terry. I know who you are. You only live down the road.
Shush, Shell. Keep it down. In matters this delicate, one must maintain a professional distance.
All right, Mr. Bloody Trent Darby. Yes, I do require some pest control services. My bloody husband. Dirty, philandering rat. I know he's got a bit on the side. He keeps sneaking around, sexting someone he calls his bae. I've had enough of him. It's time I cashed in on the life insurance.
And you haven't told anybody else about this?
No.
And no one knows that I'm here tonight.
Of course not.
And there's no one else in the pub.
Only me? Oh, Terry. Oh.
Hey, how's my bay?
You are a very lucky man, my sugar puff. Very lucky.